How to fix horizontal lines on your phone screen. So let's get started. Today we are here with some ways to fix the vertical and horizontal lines on your Android phone display. So firstly, start with restarting your device. The first thing to do when your Android screen has horizontal or vertical lines is restart it. Restarting a device can help fix glitches as well as some lingering issues, and follow our steps like press and hold the power button and the volume up button until the power off menu appears, then tap on restart option available there. Also, let your phone cool down. Exposing your phone to hot temperature is never an ideal situation. If you are using your phone in temperature over 40 degrees Celsius, this could be the reason why you are seeing the horizontal and vertical lines on the screen. If the issue is indeed being caused by the temperature, then rejoice as the issue is temporary and should be fixed once your phones cool down to room temperature. Then, simply perform a soft reset. A soft reset or forced restart is often the answer to many of the bugs or similar issues that you face on your phone. Press and hold the power button for a few seconds. Release the button once the screen goes blank and you feel a vibration. Wait for the device to reboot automatically. If it does not, press and hold the power button again. Then, check for physical damage. One of the most common reasons why you might be seeing vertical or horizontal lines on your Android phone is because the device has been through physical damage, whether it is an accidental drop or exposure to water or moisture. In case of an accidental drop, your Android phone might not survive any further because the lines are a sign that the display is dying. Then, in case of water display or exposure to moisture, try to keep the phone in a rice bag or a container with a silica gel to get rid of the moisture from the phone. Then, if your phone has not been through any sort of physical damage, you can try booting it to safe mode to see if the issue still persists. Press and hold the power button and the volume up button until the power off menu appears. Tap and hold the restart button. Then tap OK to confirm. Your phone will now boot into safe mode. If everything is fine, it hints that an app or a service installed on a device is the culprit. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.